Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. Let's see some beautiful crochet flower vase designs model. A crochet flower vase is more than just a decorative item. It is a versatile handmade accessory that can enhance the beauty of any room. Whether it is used as a vase cover, a standalone crochet vase, or a decorative flower holder, it adds warmth and personality to home decor. Benefits: adds a cozy handmade touch to your home. Easy to customize with different colors, patterns, and sizes. For budget-friendly DIY decoration, great for displaying crochet flowers, dried flowers, or artificial flowers. Makes up thoughtful handmade gifts for birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, Mother's Days, or housewarming parties. For reusable and washable when made with cotton yarn. Best places to display: coffee table, dining table centerpiece, entryway console, kitchen windowsills, bedroom nightstands, or bathroom shelves, coffee desk, bookshelves, and fireplace mantle and floating wall shelves. Best flower choices: you use crochet roses, tulips, sunflowers, daisies, lavender, baby spray, wildflowers, eucalyptus stems, pampas grass, and cotton stem. Creative design ideas: use heart-shaped vase covers, granny square vase sleeves, lace pattern vase cover, sunflower-themed vases, vintage floral motifs, cable stitch textures, mosaic crochet patterns, color-blocked designs, ombre yarn effects, seasonal themes such as spring blossoms, autumn leaves, and festive colors. You use cotton yarn for double knit stitches and ideal for vase covers. You use acrylic yarn for affordable, lightweight, and available in many colors. Use blended colors, combined softness with durability. Jute or hemp yarn, perfect for rustic and farmhouse styles. Care tips: use hand wash gently in cold water. Dry flat to help maintain the shape. Avoid prolonged direct sunlight to reduce fading. Store in a dry place when not in use. If using a glass insert, remove it before washing the crochet cover. Styling tips: if you plan to sell crochet flower vases, offer matching sets with crochet flowers. Provide custom color options, create multiple sizes, and package them in eco-friendly gift boxes. And take clear, well-lit photos with simple backgrounds. Include care instructions with every purchase. A crochet flower vase is a timeless craft project that combines creativity with practicality. With the right yarn, colors, and decorative details, it can become a beautiful centerpiece or a unique handmade gift that fits almost any home decor style. Crochet flower vases have become popular because they combine traditional craftsmanship with modern home decor. Unlike ordinary vases, they add texture, warmth, and personal handmade touch to any space. They are also eco-friendly since they can be made from leftover yarn and reused for years. Different construction methods: vase cover, a crochet sleeve placed over a glass, jar, bottle, or ceramic vase. Next, freestanding vase, made with thick yarn and a stiffened structure so it can stand on its own. Basket vase, a basket style design that holds a small flower pot, or supported vase, fineware is hidden inside the crochet to help maintain its shape. A stiffened crochet vase, fabric stiffener, diluted glue, or strass is applied to make the crochet rigged. Choosing the right shape: First, cylinder for simple and modern design. Round, soft and classic. Square, contemporary and unique. Is oval, elegant for dining tables. Bottle shape, perfect for single stem flowers. Hourglass, decorative and eye-catching. Cone shape, great for minimalist interiors. Next, texture ideas. Different stitch textures can completely change the appearance, like rib textures, basket of effect, puff stitches, bubble stitches, shell stitches, lace panels, cable inspired textures, moss stitch, and granny square motifs. Next, color palette ideas. Use cream plus beige and brown for rustic theme. Use white plus chase green for cottagecore, navy plus white for coastal decor, blush pink plus ivory for romantic aesthetic, mustard plus olive green for boho decor, grey plus black for modern decor, lavender plus white for spring, orange plus brown for autumn season, blue plus sand for beach-inspired design. Next, decorative accessories. Enhance your vase with stained ribbons, jute twine, wooden beads, pearls, lace trim, mini bows, crochet butterflies, tiny crochet beads, leaf garlands, and decorative buttons. Seasonal display ideas. Spring, use tulip, daisies, and pastel colors. For summer, use sunflowers and bright blooms. For autumn, use maple leaves, pumpkins, and fern tones. For winter, use pine branches, white flowers, and snowflake decorations. Matching decor. A crochet flower vase looks even better when paired with crochet table runners, crochet coasters, crochet placemats, crochet baskets, crochet pillow covers, crochet wall hangings, also crochet plant pot covers, and crochet tissue box cover. Gift idea. A crochet flower vase is perfect for housewarming gift, wedding gift, Mother's Day, birthdays, teacher appreciation gift, holiday gift, anniversary presents, and handmade craft fairs. Links personal finishing tips. Weave in all yarn ends neatly. Block the finished print for a smooth shape. Use consistent stitch tension. Hide seams carefully. Add a filled base to protect furniture. Include a removable glass insert for fresh flowers. A well-made crochet flower vase is both decorative and practical by experimenting with shapes, textures, colors, and embellishments. You can create unique pieces that suit a wide variety of home decor style and make beautiful handmade gifts or products to sell. The role of crochet flower vases in interior design. Crochet flower vases add softness and texture that hard materials like glass, ceramic, and metal cannot provide. They help create a warm, inviting atmosphere and serve as decorative accents, even when they are not holding flowers. Design principles. A beautiful crochet flower vase usually follows a few simple design principles. First, keep the vase proportional to the flowers. Balance colors with the surrounding decor. Use texture to create visual interest. Choose a shape that complements the room's style. Avoid adding too many embellishments to simple designs. Thanks for watching this video.